Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Good day, and ang title po ng vlog na to ay
Hi, it's me.
Magpapakilala po ako by answering three questions, and the first question is, who am I? So, I am Denrick Bensani, 19 years old, born in July 31, 2005. I live along President Quirino Avenue, Malate, Manila. I graduated senior high school in Universidad de Manila, and I am currently studying at Jesus Reigns Christian College with the course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Apat po kami sa aming pamilya, si mama, si papa, ako, at yung nakababata kong kapatid na nag-aaral din ngayon sa JRCC.
So, ayun po, nandito po ako sa bahay namin, and may alaga po kaming aso. Ito po.
Pangalan niyo po ay si Patty.
So, ayun po guys, dito po ako madalas tumambay sa sala namin. Diyan. Yan. Pero kasi malamig po, and ngayon po ay umuulan. Kaya napakalamig po ngayon. Kaya masarap po tumambay dito at tahimik lang. So yun guys, tapos na tayo sa first question. Kaya let's move on to the second question po, which is the question is, what do I love about myself? I think the things that I love about myself is that I'm always looking at the positive sides in every situation. Like the way I always choose to be happy and enjoy every moment instead of thinking a lot about the problems. And also I love about myself na na simple lang ganun, and like kung ano yung meron ako, kontento na ako. Tas lastly, the ano po, yung the fact that I have friends, yan, because they are also the reason why I'm always seeking happiness, because they're the one who encourage me sometimes whenever I have problems. And po, like kahit na hindi na kami madalas magkita since super busy na sa academics, pero nagha-hangout pa rin minsan.
I also love myself for being diligent, because hindi po ako mahirap utusan, and kapag inuutusan po ay sumusunod ako, at minsan nagkukusa dahil isa rin po ako sa kumikilos dito sa bahay namin.
Hi guys, for the third question, this is the last, and the question is, what are my favorites, or what are my favorite things to do in life? First of all, my most favorite thing to do is basketball, because ever since I was a kid, I love to play basketball a lot with my friends and family. I also have hobbies such as playing guitar, or mobile games, or computer games, mobile games for ML, and computer games like League of Legends and Valorant. I also play chess, Scrabble, and Game of the General. also love to watch anime like such as One Piece, Demon Slayer, Jujutsu Kaisen, Bleach, and more. I also love to read, especially manhwa. I'm currently reading something, and that's all. Those are my hobbies or favorites or love to do whenever I have free time and to entertain myself. That's all. Thank you for watching.